Hey there, Marcus here. In this quick video, I'm going to share with you how you can unlock your Samsung dishwasher, and it's pretty easy, but it really depends what kind of type you have, so I prepared multiple ones for you. So the first type is that where you're going to have the lock control option straight up, so you can actually find the button. And what you have to do is press and hold it for 3 seconds. But for a lot of Samsung dishwashers, you're not going to find this lock. What you have to do is you have to search for all the buttons and look after which button you are going to have this thing here. Do you see it? This kind of like lock, and then you're gonna have like 3 seconds there. And it can be in a high temp wash, it can be lower rack, and here it's for sanitize. And again, the same process applies. You want to hold it for 3 to 5 seconds. But try to find for your Samsung dishwasher where you're going to have this symbol, this right here. And that's a lock button right there. And what you have to do is press and hold it for about like 5 seconds, and you're going to unlock the dishwasher. Thank you very much and have a great day, and goodbye.